I have 2 internet in my house. I have 2 lines. 2 separate lines with a business account that I pay extra for that doesn't even have higher speeds. It's just supposed to have higher priority, which I don't think means anything. And I can't get anything else. I'm losing my mind. I live in Los Angeles. Oh, it's so mold-inducing. Why don't you change internet provider? What the fuck do you think? How do you think it works, my man?
Caterpie. Fighting energy. Is this the last holo? Is it the last holo?
What's behind the fire doors?
That's the first fire energy I've seen all day. God.
I'm hyped. It's it.
Oh! There it is! Let's go! Oh my God!
Is that my pack?
Magic.
Last holo.
Oh my god!
The last
Let's go!
Oh my god!
How much?
15,000 PSA 10.
16,000.
16,000.
Last pack. Magic.
Last
Last pack.
$16,000 and it looks good.
Let's go!
Oh my god, bro, how does that happen?
Last pack. Wait.
Oh my god.
Call me the best.
Wait, Adept's got a Charizard.
Yup.
Let's go with Deb!
Charizard. Oh
Damn,
my
Island's
wait,
gotta be upset
wait.
right now. I'm a shoe in the win.
Wait a second.
I'm hyped. That's crazy.
What this means is both Blastoses are being given away.
Oh yeah.
Wait, that means it's trains. Oh my god.
Train gets the
That's true.
Charizard. Train's Charizard collection's kind of juice right now.
Oh, trains get the Charizard.
Bro, we got the Charizard.
He got the holographic Charizard.
I can't
what
believe
you-
you actually got it.
Hey,
Wow.
sleeve it.
Bro, we
bruh.
got
I
the
didn't unpack that for
Charizard.
nothing.
Yeah, can we do
How?
Thank
How?
God. Dude, I'm not gonna lie to you, Train.
How?
I've been lying about all your numbers. You were at like $10,000 in this box until that Charizard.
Bro.
Ooh.
That's